Assalamu alaikum. Here I am presenting my assignment of CSE488 Big Data Analytics course. Firstly, I will talk about the code and later I will shift to the web interface. So here you can see the necessary libraries that I used. Firstly, I want to talk about ML extend, which I have used to further utilize the API of a priori algorithm. Later, I used plotly library for plotting graphs, and then I used dash and dash bootstrap components for web interface. And lastly, hosting the website, I used ngrok, and there is a library named pyngrok. Also, I used some other libraries, small like warning, base64io, and so on, for proper coding. Now, at the last, I wanna show some script that I used for generating some CSV files. Here, I have used one script that contains 10 different items, and I tried to create a small transaction CSV file with 1000 transactions, where each transaction will contain 1 to 10 items, at minimum 1 and maximum 10. Okay, now move on to the web interface. Here you can see that the interface. Here I want to talk about two buttons. That is, one is upload dataset and another is sample data. First I will talk about sample data. Here the dashboard will show or analyze the market basket problem with some loaded or sample dataset. By clicking this button, you can see that it shows a success message, success loaded 20 sample transactions, and here you will see the outputs. Okay, at the first I want to talk about the configuration panel. Here you can see the minimum support, confidence, and pattern length, and later you can see the key gist of the algorithms. By changing the support, you can see a significant change here. If I apply 50%, you will see that the change in here and the count of patterns and the maximum length and so on. At the below, you can see some necessary graph that to portray or demonstrate the behavior, and lastly you will see a table by which you can sort the data according to the length or count and so on. Now move on to our upload dataset portion. Here we have a pen where you can upload our CSV files. So here I have created one CSV file that I mentioned in my notebook. By selecting this, you can see a success message that we loaded 1000 transactions from that file, and you will see the similar type of results that I already demonstrated in the sample data. And here all the graphs and tables you will find. And by changing some parameters, let's say I want to see the item or the frequency pattern of length 5, and you will see that the below statistical value will change, and here everything will be changed accordingly. Okay, so there is my project. Thank you very much.